How to leave a review on Airbnb. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can leave a review on Airbnb. If you open up Airbnb app here, you'll get an interface like this. If you head into a particular hotel, now I'll just open up this hotel here. You can see there you'll not get any option to leave a review. Now if you just open up here, you can see one review and you can see there is you will be able to view the review, but you won't be able to leave a review. Now once a checkout is complete, now once you have stayed in a hotel, now when can reviews be submitted and published? Now I'll just guide you through. First, once checkout is complete, host and guest have 14 days to submit the review. Guest and host can also leave a review for certain reservations that are cancelled on or after the day of check-in, that is 12 a.m. in the listing time zone. Now reviews are only posted after both parties have submitted their reviews or the 14-day period has ended, whichever comes first. Now if a host cancels a reservation before the day of check-in, the host and guest won't be able to leave a review for the stay. However, how you can leave a review, right? Well, after you stay, Airbnb will send an email asking you to leave a review for your most recent host or guest. Within the email, there will be a link that takes you directly to the reviews page so you can share how your reservation went with other community members. Now, this is the only way you can leave a review on Airbnb. Once you have stayed at a hotel that you booked it from Airbnb, Airbnb will send you an email with the link that will redirect you to the review option, and there you'll be able to review it. Only then you'll be able to review it after you have completed your stay at the hotel that you booked. So this way you can leave a review on Airbnb. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.